Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your HomeLight agent account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start receiving leads from home buyers and sellers. Step 1. Visit homelight.com/agents and click on Sign In or Agent Login to access your HomeLight agent account. Step 2. Enter your email address and password to log in. If you're new to HomeLight, you'll need to apply first by clicking Join as an Agent. Step 3. After logging in, you'll see your agent dashboard. Look for verification notifications or prompts about completing your profile. Step 4. Navigate to your account settings or profile section by clicking on your name or profile icon. Step 5. HomeLight requires email verification for all agent accounts. If your email isn't verified, click on Verify Email or Resend Verification Email. Step 6. Check your email inbox for a verification message from HomeLight and click on the verification link provided. Step 7. To become a verified agent on HomeLight, you must provide proof of your real estate license. Navigate to the License Verification or Credentials section in your profile. Step 8. Enter your real estate license number and the state where you're licensed to practice. Step 9. Upload a clear photo or scan of your current real estate license. Ensure the license number and expiration date are visible. Step 10. Provide your brokerage information, including brokerage name, office address, and supervising broker details. Step 11. Upload any additional required documents such as proof of errors and omissions insurance or broker authorization. Step 12. Complete your agent profile by adding professional details including years of experience, specializations, service areas, and recent transaction history. Step 13. HomeLight will verify your license and credentials, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You'll receive an email notification once your account is verified, and you can start receiving client matches and leads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.